Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica, your tour guide today. I'm inviting you to join me on a tour of Marbella's best beach clubs. Please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment if you enjoyed. I would love to hear from you. We'll start at the Golden Beach Club, located on the golden sands of Marbella Beach. Everything here screams luxury, from its modern decor to the relaxing ocean views to the delicious drinks and food. This is the ideal spot to take in the beautiful sunset while unwinding in style. A bit further up the coast is the Boomar Beach and Fashion Club. This one is perfect for all you fashionistas out there. Not only can you hit the beach, but you can also check out the amazing fashion stores with some of the hottest trends. The next stop on our tour is the Nikki Beach Club, a luxurious beach club with multiple restaurants, bars, and of course, beautiful beaches. This is the perfect place to kick back and relax for the day. You can find plenty of activities here, including volleyball, paddleboarding, and even yoga classes. The final stop on this journey is the La Sala Beach and Restaurant. This beach is semi-private and perfect for a romantic getaway. The views are spectacular, and the chilled-out atmosphere makes it perfect for a night out. This has been a short tour of Marbella's best beach clubs. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more of my great travel content and recommendations. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me on this journey. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.